Want to lose weight without spending hours in the kitchen? In this video, I'll show you how prepared meals can help you lose weight faster, save time, and stay on track without sacrificing taste. Meal prep is one of the most effective strategies for weight loss. Why? Because it takes the guesswork out of eating. No more last-minute takeout or binge-eating snacks. You know exactly what you're eating, how many calories and what nutrients you're getting. When you're planning meals for weight loss, focus on 3 things. High protein keeps you full and helps retain muscle. Healthy carbs like quinoa, sweet potatoes, or brown rice for energy. Good fats, think avocado, nuts, or olive oil. Lots of veggies for fiber and nutrients. Each meal should be balanced to fuel your body while staying within your calorie goal. Here's a quick one-day sample of prepared meals for weight loss. Breakfast: overnight oats with chia seeds, almond milk, and berries. Lunch: grilled chicken breast, quinoa, and steamed broccoli. Snack: a boiled egg and a handful of almonds. Dinner: baked salmon, sweet potato, and asparagus. Visuals: show each meal in high-quality prep or serving style. All of this can be prepped in just 1-2 hours on the weekend and stored for the week. Here are 3 tips to make your meal prep faster and easier. Batch cook proteins like chicken, turkey, or tofu. Use reusable containers to portion out your meals. Mix and match ingredients to keep things interesting. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health-focused content. Comment below if you want a full 7-day meal prep plan and I'll send it your way.